Mason.
7, 8, 9, 10.
The random cooking or game days, it's and then practice.
All right, back to our circle, back to our circle.
Run. Yeah, go over there, love.
Yes.
Oh, over here.
Okay, can I get,
Does everyone have a salad on there? No, you're in north. You're on that side.
okay.
South.
Who are my South volunteers? We're going to get the stations going.
Yeah.
Okay, I got Jay. You were, okay, awesome.
Go ahead. Go with go with the wiffle balls. And then we got one more going out to the opposite court. You guys ready? Come on. Go with Coach Katie in the orange. Right out there with Coach Katie.
Okay. Thanks, boss.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. This is the obstacle course. Janet is going to tell you guys what to do. You want to run through one so they can watch you? Okay. You want to partner up? Okay, so start there.
¿Qué?
All right. On your mark. Get set.
Oh, there you go. That's a good snack.
He's faster.
Have them go in with the boys.
Yeah, bud. Good throw.
So we can have one go, because you haven't gone yet. Let's have Arlo go for in a rotation, and then we'll have him go, right? We'll go twice. So, if you want one, bunny hop.
All right, Southfield, rotate. Rotate. Just, we're going to send him here. And then go clockwise. Katie, you guys you're sending him to the field.
And I'm going to hand you a beanbag, okay? And you see this circle right now? The goal is to throw this beanbag into the circle, okay? And then we're going to pair up and practice catching. So what color can I get? Roman? One more. Maxwell? Gael? Nice. Yes, yellow. You got it. Okay. Spread out a little bit. Spread out. Hands apart.
Do you want to do it like for real by yourself now?
Okay. Maxwell right here.
Okay, wait, start over here in the cone. So one at a time, and then
If
everything.
you guys get all of you go to the
ready?
center, I'm going to move it back so it's harder, okay? All right? On the count of 3, throw the beanbag, aim for the circle. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no, over here, jump.
Oh, that was too easy for the 5-year-olds. Oh my gosh. Okay, come grab the beanbag while I move these back. Okay. You guys think you could aim it right here in the circle? Yeah? 1, 2, 3. Good job. We got closer. Okay. Are you guys ready to practice catching? Okay. I'm going to take that. And you're going to stand on the line.
All right, wait,
Here's your
sorry, but
donut.
all right, everything set?
Okay.
All right, you got this. Go, boy.
He has to go potty. Of course, right?
Bunny
Oh, the beanbag. Okay. You need a drink? Yes, go get a drink. Okay, go get a drink. What about you? Good? You want to practice catching while you're with the boys?
Okay.
All right. Oh, it's your first time?
You okay, honey?
Ready?
Ready?
Set, go.
Oh, try to put one hand on me, huh? Ready?
Stupid.
Okay, now you toss it.
Oh, I know.
Oh, he had already.
Good. You guys are great. Go ask him if he's supposed to switch. Okay, Michaela, now toss it to the white line. Nice!
All right. Ready?
Go! But aim it towards me. I'm the first baseman. We're practicing throwing to first. Nice! Got it. Got it. Okay, Janet. Michaela, right here, right here. Nice. Yes. All right, I'm the first baseman. Make sure the first ball. All right. All right, Michaela, first baseman.
You got 3-5 right in the middle, 38 seconds. Good
Roman,
job.
first baseman.
All right, I feel like this is
Okay,
last
attack the runner.
Would it be crazy if you guys all went at the same time? Yeah.
Be fun, though.
I just don't know if we're going to get through a whole nother round. How's it looking
All
out,
right,
guys?
first baseman. Throw to the first baseman. Nice.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's like 30 seconds. All right, you're up, right?
Yes.
Mark, set, go.
Ready? As far as you can. 1, 2, 3.
29 seconds.
All right, good.
All right, heads in. Ready? And calm to stand behind. All right, kiddos, come back over here.
And then I'm going to have you right there.
Everyone line up behind this cone.
Practice catching.
In the same order. So who's going to go first? Why don't we do alphabetical? What was your name? I don't have enough names. Okay, so that's you might be first.
And 9. Ready? Yes. Okay.
You are left. Hard.
Let's go.
It's alphabetical. alphabetical, just the way it goes. So, all right, so then you're first, right? G? Oh, wait, okay, start. All right. I know, but then I changed it to alphabetical just to be fair.
Yes. Circle.
Yeah.
I was just in the beeline.
Okay,
Right, keep going.
all good. Ready?
Nice. Two more. You get to do all three. Nice. All right. You got 14 points and 36 seconds. All right. Yeah, I think it's Maxwell next. Remember, you have the R, so you're gonna go last. The R name. All right, Maxwell, you ready? On your mark, set, go.
Okay, hold on. Hold. You guys know what baseball ready is? Show me.
Wait, what?
All right, baseball ready?
Mom,
Circle, go, go, go.
what is that?
Stop.
Nice, that was a 1. That's a 5, that's 6. Oh, another 5 is 11, 25 seconds. That was the fastest of all day, gotta say. All right. Michaela, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ready to go. Okay. Set it.
All right, this is gonna be the last time.
Give me my line leader over here. Whenever I start, stop it here.
So here's what we're doing, team. We're gonna start back here. Okay? And get in the line.
Okay. Ready? Go.
Yeah. That's a great way. It's like a forward mob. Jump. You have. Jump over this one. Behind me.
You got one right now?
Okay? Run around that Run around. All right, jump over these.
Nice, that was 9.
You're gonna come here, you're gonna throw the ball. Okay?
Nice, that was 6. You're at 15.
As soon as
Here's
our
his mom. I'll take over.
Nice, and
running
8.
gets to that
That is 23.
There you go.
37
And
seconds.
if everyone
Hey,
gets
Hudson needs to go to the bathroom.
Winner, you want to say? Ready? Okay. Step back. Step back. Step back. Bend your knees a little bit. Nice.